This is a supercar that has made me the most scared in my entire driving career, the Maserati MC20, because its electronic controls really don't care whether you live or die. So right now, I'm still driving it in GT mode. I remember when I was driving a Lamborghini Huracan, I kept it in Corsa mode while doing high-speed runs and quick lane changes. But with this car, I have to drive very carefully because the rear end is truly very unstable. The steering is extremely sharp and agile. Even the slightest input and the whole front end and body immediately react. It has 650 horsepower with only about 1.5 tons of weight. Downshifting? Look at that. And another thing that is both very supercar-like, yet also not like a supercar at all, is its transmission. The gearbox responds incredibly fast, but you don't feel any harshness at all. Now, can you feel how low it sits to the ground? Let's look at that Corolla ahead. It even looks like an SUV in comparison. Okay, fourth gear for an overtake. Honestly, I'm really impressed. Cars still have to be experienced in real driving. You would think that with a mid-engine rear-wheel drive layout, it should feel extremely stable. But in actual driving, I feel like this is truly a car that only a professional driver can handle. And I only dare to drive it calmly on public roads. It's not like driving Ferraris or Lamborghinis where you can push harder. And it's definitely not like those 1,000-horsepower EVs like the Lotus e-Vihia or Tesla Model S Plaid where you can just do whatever you want. This MC20 really teaches you to respect speed and respect high-power rear-wheel drive. But at high speeds, the cruising feel is incredibly refined. If we treat it as a grand touring sports car, then it is actually a very perfect and very enjoyable driving machine. But if you treat it as a mountain road weapon, very few people can truly handle it. Honestly, very few people can control it.